Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to cancel AMC tickets purchased online. So first you need to access your AMC Stubs account. So you can go to the AMC Theaters website or open the AMC app and log into your account, and then you need to locate your ticket. So you just navigate to the ticket section, or you can find your order in the account history or your confirmation email. And then just go ahead and initiate the refund request. So you just follow the instructions provided to initiate a refund for the tickets you wish to cancel, and then just go ahead and provide the necessary information. You may be asked to provide the email address associated with the purchase and even the last four digits of the payment card. So just double check the details and confirm your refund request. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this guide helpful, make sure you smash that like button as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions.